मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि जिंदगी में कभी न कभी तो आपने सुना ही होगा कि कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, या फिर कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो सीखोगे कैसे, या फिर मेरी फेवरेट लाइन, एक बार कोशिश करके तो देखो। मेरी माने तो ये लाइंस ना लाइफ की हर चीज पे अप्लाई हो सकती हैं। जैसे कि मेरी रुचि अभी तक ट्रैवल करने तक सीमित थी, पर आजकल थोड़ा सा एडवेंचर का चस्का लगने लग गया है। कभी कभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि मुझसे पहले और मेरे बाद बहुत लोग आए होंगे जो मुझसे बेहतर हैं, पर तो क्या हो गया। जिंदगी छोटी है और इसे जीने का हम सब के पास सिर्फ एक ही तो मौका होता है ना। हाय दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है तान्या और मैं हूँ करेंटली एक बहुत ही छोटे से टाउन में इन कर्नाटका विच इज़ कॉल्ड मुल्की। एंड मुल्की की एक ख़ास बात है एंड दैट इज़ कि इंडिया में सबसे पहले सर्फ स्कूल जो इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था वो यहाँ मुल्की में हुआ था। And this is a place that not many people know about, but it's such a beautiful place that I came to know of from my morning cycle ride right now. And another thing is कि मेरा ये मानना है कि मुझे सिर्फ ट्रैवल नहीं करना है, मुझे कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ पिकअप करनी है या फिर कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ में एंगेज करना है जो मैं जगह जगह जाके कर सकूँ। एंड सर्फिंग इज़ वन सच एक्टिविटी विच यू कैन प्रैक्टिस एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, स्पेशली इन नाइस बीच लोकेशंस जहाँ पे वेव्स अच्छी होती हैं। सो विद दैट थॉट इन माइंड आई वॉन्टेड टू कम टू मुल्की एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू लर्न सर्फिंग. And for the next 5 days, I'm going to be trying my best to learn surfing. Hello my people and welcome to my abode at Indica Surf School to learn some surfing. Chalo, come on inside. I will take you to the place where I'm staying at. Actually, you're already here. This over here is a bunk bed जहाँ पे 2 लोग सो सकते हैं, and on this side we also have a twin bed. So ideally this is a sharing room if you're traveling with your friends. और यहाँ पे in the far corner there are also some plants which have very nicely been placed because it makes the room look so much greener and better, as if outside the view is not already green enough. यहाँ पे also थोड़ी सी bottles पड़ी हैं, but I always carry my own bottle with me. Be eco-friendly guys, अपने साथ अपने खुद की पानी की फिल्टर की bottle carry करा करो. And last but not the least, let me take you outside to show you the real showstopper of this entire room, which is the view outside. And मेरे पास यहाँ पे इस रूम के साथ अटैच्ड एक बहुत बड़ी सी बैल्कनी है. एक सेकेंड, आप कंफ्यूज हो गए ना कि ये वीडियो अचानक से रुक क्यों गया. पर पता ज़्यादा बुरा कब लगता है, जब लाइफ के प्लान्स में अचानक से रुकावट आ जाए. जैसे कि पिछले साल हमारे कितने सारे प्लान्स पॉज हो गए थे, एंड आई थिंक वक्त आ चुका है कि हम लोग इन सब का फिर से शुभारंभ करें. और इसमें आपका साथ देगा टाटा कैपिटल, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ उनका कर्ज नहीं बल्कि फ़र्ज भी है. सो हेड टू द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो एंड अप्लाई फॉर अ लोन टुडे. वी हैव अ टेबल वेयर वी कैन सिट एंड आल्सो दिस अमेजिंग व्यू. So we've arrived at the beach for my first ever surfing lesson. बहुत ही छोटी सी 15 मिनट की ड्राइव थी यहाँ तक आने के लिए. And with me over here I also have Dhruva. who is Dhruva, who's the founder of Indica Surf School, and he's going to be taking our lesson today.
So today's day one for you will be focusing on mainly standing up and riding the waves.
Okay.
So if we can successfully do that, that means it's a good day.
Okay, let's hope that happens.
We'll be doing focusing on 5-day course,
Yeah.
and 3 days we'll be focusing on day one standing up and riding the waves. Day 2 reading the waves, white water, catching the white water on your own little bit.
Okay.
And by day 3 we want you to catch your own waves, so
Okay.
that you can say you are a surfer.
Okay.
And by day 4 and day 5 we will improve your skills, catching green waves.
Okay. And today what we're doing is the
White water.
white water.
Yes.
Water. The ones that we see right
Yeah,
next
one
to the
which
beach.
is broken, and you'll be gliding in that.
Okay.
This is called as a leash. You wear it on your back leg when you're doing surfing, nice and tight, which doesn't move around, and it should stick outside. The back part of the board is called as a tail, side is called as a rail,
Okay.
deck of the board, and fins which controls your board. Okay, when you're on the board, make sure you're always touching end of the board. That means you're in the right place. If you're leaning in the side, if the board is leaning, you have to balance it. And when you're chilling and just holding the board, you will be holding it like this. When the instructor pushes you into the wave, you will be saying start paddle. Paddling just like swimming. 1, 2, 1, 2. And he says stand up. Hands behind your shoulder. Use your leg and push yourself up. Knees under your chin. Body facing sideways, looking where you're going. Both hands up. The back hand should come behind your head,
Okay.
and the front comes your front of your face. You
Okay.
should look through that, so that's your balance, and you're balancing front and back and front.
Okay. Okay, so this is just my first wave that I'm going on, and the ocean is looking really good. बहुत ही अच्छी waves हैं, and I hope I'm able to stand on the board today. Let's go.
I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna be the end of me. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I wanna say something, but you are all that I see. You got dynamite, that smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. Can I have it for free? I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out.
It's so good out there.
Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. You got dynamite. That smile's gonna be the end of me. I bet you taste like chocolate. I'm an explosion. That smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. You cannot lie over a Mai Tai. Let's take each other out.
First day is done and it was such a fun experience. बहुत ही मज़ा आया आज सर्फिंग करके. To be fair, I think मैंने एक बार पहले बहुत पहले पौंडीचेरी में सर्फिंग की हुई है. So the experience for me was a little simpler this time क्योंकि मैं पिछली बार बहुत बार गिर के उठ के बोट पे खड़ा होना सीख गई थी. But to be fair, आज की waves ना थोड़ी सी mild थी and Dhruva was also pushing my board which made it a little easier. But overall, I would say it's a very fun sport and I want to get better and better at it over the subsequent days. अब जो हमारा आज का सेशन सक्सेसफुली ख़त्म हो चुका है. आई हैव कम बैक, आई हैव शावर्ड एंड लिविंग हियर एट इंडिका लिटरली मेक्स मी फील लाइक आई एम बैक टू स्टूडेंट लाइफ बिकॉज आई एम practically a student here learning surfing. So let me give you a little bit of an insight into what living in a surf school feels like. If I turn my camera over here, यहाँ पे सब लोग gathered हैं. People are playing. People are also eating some cake over there. So Dhruva, are the people over here all students? Oh, sorry.
Yes,
Yeah.
they are.
People over here are all students.
Yes.
Hi.
All surfers.
So here is Ashwini with us.
Hello.
And she's also the marketing manager here. And you are?
I'm Anu. Hi.
Hi, Anu.
guys.
Vishwas.
Vishwas.
Hi, Ronak.
Ronak. Oh, Riya is here. Riya is the person who's made we call her the cookie girl now.
Cookie girl. She's the cookie girl.
Oh my god. So this is Riya, guys. Everybody say hi. Her mom has sent us the cake, the very beautiful cake over there.
No, please don't call her Riya.
अच्छा, और उसके बाद हम यहाँ आते हैं, which is the lunch area. So this is the lunch area. So it's evening time और what we are doing right now is going for some kayaking. मुल्की की geography ऐसी है कि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे backwaters भी हैं along with the beach. So not only is this a great spot for surfing but also for kayaking in the backwaters especially. और आज हम लोग एक ऐसे spot पे जाने वाले हैं जहाँ पे the mouth of the backwaters meets the ocean और ये जगह पे हम लोग जाएंगे kayaking करके.
Set yourself up and you can adjust with, there is grooves here, 3 grooves, 4 grooves.
So we are getting started with our kayaking adventure in the backwaters of Mulki. और मेरे सामने यहाँ पे पूरे backwaters हैं. पीछे है मेरे साथ अश्विनी from Indica Surf School. Then we have Ishan who's behind the camera and Victor.
No.
Adventure, and we have a beautiful sunset on one side and we have a rainbow on the other side. Can nature get any more beautiful than this, guys?
You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text.
We're at a beach, a very isolated beach actually, not too many people over here, and sunset. पता है कोशिश करना ज़रूरी क्यों होता है? क्योंकि हर किसी को डर और बेचैनी महसूस होती है। पर जब आप इस एहसास को पार करके अपने अंदर झांकते हो ना, तो सिर्फ बाहरी दुनिया के दृश्य ही नहीं, अपनी खुद की पहचान से भी मिलकर खुशी मिलती है। This is the place where we reached after our kayaking adventure. This is actually the place जहाँ पे backwater meets the ocean. So over here in my back, जहाँ पे आप sunset देख पा रहे हैं, is the ocean. The sunset has already, the sun has already set. But over here in my back is the backwater, जहाँ पे हमने हमारी kayaks के साथ land किया था. So all in all, this has been such a beautiful adventure. I feel like Mulki is so beautiful to be at. यहाँ पे सब कुछ है. यहाँ पे ocean है, यहाँ पे surfing है, यहाँ पे adventure है, यहाँ पे kayaking है, और यहाँ पे बहुत ही stunning और beautiful sunsets है. So let me explain what all am I wearing for day 2's lesson. मेरे नाक में, कान में हर जगह पानी जा चुका है